Hey y'all, it's Bria Simone, and we are taking this wig off to start on this hair. And as you can see, I'm giving very much Felicia. But yes, ooh, do y'all see the growth though? But while I take these braids down, we are going to get into this hair that I received from Junoda. It is a ponytail, Kinky Curly, and I believe it is 20 inches, and it is a drawstring ponytail. And yes, you guys, I'm excited to style this. In here, I'm just showing y'all what it looks like straight out of the box. And they also gave me a few goodies. Now I am parting the front section and slicking these two sections down. Okay, so I was struggling a little bit. I did have these braids in for a little while, so yeah, excuse that.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessings they are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise on board. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the task, the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board that only see the road and me go on with the road. Third form is a very tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and I sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just saw down, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, man, in a live man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earning, the dust, to the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board that only set the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And 7 feet tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the job. Read, I'm in the light. You know, some of us are ignited. Got the music, get me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the task, to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast for the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board that only set the road and me go on with the road. Do us. Do us. Oh, in a rise on board. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the task, to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast for the
So most people will just tie the two sections together in the back, but I think it just makes it look weird once you put all your hair in a ponytail. So I just put some bobby pins and that did its job. So I'm going to lay the hair down with this edge scarf that they gave me so it can stay down. And now I'm spraying some water and applying some edge control and gel so I can sleek all my hair up and apply this ponytail. I separated my ponytail into 2 sections, and now I am twisting one of them around the ponytail, and now I'm going to do the same for the other section so I can create a little bun for the fake ponytail. As you can see, it has 2 combs, just like a wig would have on each side and the drawstring. So you would just put this on top of the bun, slide the clips in onto both ends, and then just pull the drawstring. And you see that it just went right onto the bun. Like, that ponytail ain't going nowhere, y'all. So I'm actually going to redo the ponytail and make it a bit higher because, as you can see, I'm kind of like trying to readjust it right here and I'm not really feeling it. So this is the final look for the ponytail. If you want to do a high ponytail with this type of look, now I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of struggling trying to make it a bit flatter, but right here I'm just applying more water and applying more product to the hair because I did put it on straight out of the box. I would recommend washing it first so the curls can come out a little bit more. But I think this is a cute look. It's giving 90s and the hair is pretty soft and the ponytail looks really natural. So now I am making this into a bun, and y'all, I was struggling.
Cut the cameras.
So I ended up getting another hair tie and I wrapped it around the middle of the ponytail, and then I brought the ends around the bun and then put another hair tie over it. Really hope that y'all understand and can follow, with the video and what I'm saying. But yeah, that's what I had to do because for one, the ponytail is a lot of hair. Like, do not let the ponytail fool you. It is a thick ponytail, okay? So I had to do what I had to do. But it ended up really cute. Like, look, I love this look. This is so cute. All the details will be in the description box, and I do have an exclusive discount code, so please make sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.